Hi, how are you friends? I hope are you well. So today I will show you to uh, how to replace a Huawei psmart 2021 model number and Huawei Y7 battery replacement. How to replace the battery. So this is the phone and I will show you. See this, the battery is very low, it's not charging and not safe the charging. So I will replace this to a new one. So let's do it. Let's go and let's start. Stay with me. Okay, so now I will remove this first. You power off, and remove the SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray, and then you open the back cover. This one. So very carefully to remove this. I use this blade. Take some heat first, but not too much. Little bit, because your this cover is damaged and it's not good. So first you remove this. Also you use this to little plastic this piece. Move it. Okay, so now here and there. Okay, this. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so this one I removed it, the cover, take aside, and now you open the all screw. One by one. Move that screw also.
Ah, olha.
So I remove all the screws, and now remove the this metal frame. Move the metal frame. I remove this. Okay. Now remove, disconnect the battery first, and then touch here to remove the battery. Very careful. Okay, so now here. Okay, now it's, I remove the battery. So this is the battery, and now I will put the side. It's broken battery. I think it's not working more. So I put this battery to fix it now. Let's check first. Put back on the connector. Little pressed, and then you put this on back. And then the screws. Put back on the screws. Carefully tight it, not too much hot, little. And then this is last one. So it's done. Now I put the back cover. put in some glue and then you put back of this, and let's check to it's turning on. Yes, it's working perfectly. So today today I will showing before how to replace Huawei psmart 2021 and Huawei Y7, how to replace the battery. Now it's finished and it's working perfectly. You can see it's working perfectly. So it's all done today. And you watch my video. If you like my video, you hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I hope so. See you next time. Thanks you're watching my video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.